Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Antoinette Randall. I am a mother of 4 princesses. I am a wife to an awesome man. I am a speaker and an author, an extroverted author, might I add, if you haven't already figured that out. I started this channel as a means to further engage my following. You can actually come here and click on any of these videos, and my mission is that either one that you click on will inspire you to the point of provoking a change. What do you do after you hear information? Now you have a responsibility to do. Are you going to use that information for your benefit, or will it just be information that just came in and you forgot about it, one ear and out the other? This channel is dedicated to those of you who dream, who desire more from life. You work so hard, you push so hard, but it seems like it's taken so long to get there. These videos will hopefully inspire you to keep going and to not give up. It can be very strenuous, it can be discouraging along this journey of life when you're putting in time day in and day out and it seems like you're barely making it. It seems like you're not seeing the weeds sprout up out of the ground. This information is for you. It will be raw. That's the style of my teaching. So if you are the type of person where you like straight up information, raw and uncut, I am your lady. This is the channel for you. As long as you stay active, you're building yourself up. Look at it as stones, as these stones that I'm sitting on right now. Think about it. Every move that you make, that's another brick. Every call that you make, every time you do research, every time you stay up another hour to perfect your craft, that is another stone that's piling up on top of the other. Every time you do something, you're constantly stacking. So don't worry about it because this is year 2 and you still haven't received a phone call yet. Don't worry about it because it's year 5, because it's month 6 and you still haven't received any compensation for it. Keep stacking. Keep making phone calls. Keep making videos. Keep reading books. Keep taking online courses. Keep going. Keep putting in another hour. Keep staying up another hour to study. Keep doing something. And before you know it, baby, you are going to break. It's going to spill over. Because you can't constantly work on something. You can't constantly put in work. It's impossible to consistently put in work and you get no results. Keep going. So if the cliche holds true that good things come to those who wait, imagine what would happen to those who actually work. Once again, my name is Antoinette Randall and I am your personal coach.